Hello student, myself Ravi Mishra. Today we introduce the topic male reproductive system. In the middle of this video, we discuss the parts of the male reproductive system and their function and some accessory glands that are present in male reproductive system. So please see the video till the end. First of all, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for new videos. Now we discuss male reproductive system. It is concerned with sperm formation, and the male reproductive system consists of mainly 6 parts. Now the first, testes, scrotum, vas deferens, urethra, penis, and some accessory glands such as seminal vesicles and prostate glands. Now we discuss one by one each part of the male reproductive system. Now the first part is testes. Testes are present in pair. They are oval shaped male sex organ. They are primary sex organ and lying outside the abdominal cavity. Now here we discuss what do you mean by the abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity, the large body cavity lying below the diaphragm and above the penis. It consists of seminiferous tubules where sperms are produced. It produces a male sex hormone called the testosterone, which brings about changes in appearance of boy at the puberty. Means at the puberty times, the male sex hormones are generated, that is called the testosterone, that help in change the characters in male body. Along the inner side of the each testis lie a mass of coiled tubes called epididymis. It means कि coiled tube like structure are present inside the testes, that is called the epididymis. Now the second part is scrotum. Scrotum is a small pouches like structure that contain testes that present outside the abdominal cavity. It acts as a thermoregulator, means maintain the temperature and provide an optimal temperature for the formation of the sperms. Sperms develop at the temperature 1 to 3 degrees Celsius less temperature than normal body temperature. We know that the temperature on which sperm are produced is 32-34 degree Celsius. Means on which 32 to 34 degrees Celsius temperature the sperms are produced. And normal body, human body temperature is 37 degree Celsius. Now third part of the male reproductive system is vas deferens. A vas deferens is a straight tube. It is about 40 centimeter long tube. It connects testes to the urethra in order to allow the passage of the semen. Here one word uses semen. Now we discuss what do you mean by the semen. Semen, it is a collection of secretion from the seminal vesicle, prostate glands, Cooper glands, and sperms from the testes. It means semen is a collection of sperms that help to pass the character. Now here one main important point, single ejaculation may contain 200 to 300 million sperms. Means one time secretion of semen, it contains about 200 to 300 million sperms that help to in copulation method. Next part of male reproductive system is urethra. Urethra is a common passage for both the sperms and urine. It is a tube-like structure. It is 20 centimeter long tube that arises from the urinary bladder to carry urine. Means it helps to pass the urine from urinary bladder. It never carries sperms and urine at the same time. It means it do not help to pass the urine and sperms at the same time. Next point, it secretes seminal fluids and nutrients. It means it provides the sperms nutrition and help to pass the sperm. Next and last point of the human male reproductive system is penis. It is a long and thick muscular organ made up by the mostly erectile tissues, means rhythmic contraction and relaxation. It is an external male genital organ. It transfers sperm into vagina of the female body during copulation period. Means in mating process, it helps to pass the sperm into the vagina of the female body. Now next part of the male reproductive system, male accessory reproductive glands. Now it consists of mainly three glands: seminal vesicles, prostate glands, and Cowper's gland. Now the first, seminal vesicles, it is 60% of the semen. These are one pair of the sac-like structure near the base of the bladder. It is present at the base of the bladder. It stores sperm and to produce viscous fluid which stimulates uterine contraction to help sperms move forward into the fallopian tube of a female. Now the second, prostate glands. Prostate glands contains 25% of the semen. It is a single large gland that surrounded the urethra. Means it covered the urethra. Second, through a small duct, it secretes milky fluid which helps in mobility of the sperms. Means it produces the milky fluid that help to mobile of the sperms. It means it helps in locomotion, movement of the sperms. It also provides nourishment and activates the sperm to swim. It provides the nourishment and help to activate the sperms for swimming purpose. Now the third, Cowper glands. Cowper glands, the other name of Cowper glands is bulbourethral glands. Extremely small glands located at the base of the penis. Cowper glands are the small glands and located at the base of the penis. It opens into the urethra by a small duct. It secretes an alkaline fluid such as basic fluid into the urethra that neutralizes the acid from urine. Means it neutralizes the acid that present in urine. It decreases the number of sperm damaged during ejaculation method. It helps to decrease the number of sperms damaged during ejaculation method such as mating process. Now in male reproductive system, here we discuss topic sperm also. Sperm is a male gamete or male sac cell. It consists of three main parts: head, middle piece and tail. Here we discuss the function of the sperm. It passes the necessary biological information required to produce a new offspring. It helps to pass the biological information that required to produce a new organism. The structure of sperm means spermatozoa are drawn here. That is the head portion. Head portion contains two parts: acrosomes and nucleus. And second is middle piece that contain mitochondria. And third part is tail that help in locomotion, that made up of plasma membrane. Now here are main point: sperms almost live 5 days inside a woman reproductive tract. Means after the copulation method, the sperms live only 5 days inside a woman reproductive tract. Next, semen helps life longer. Semen helps to the sperms for life longer. Now we draw the diagram of human male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system, that is the ureters. The next tube is vas deferens. Third is urinary bladder. Here urine is collected. Prostate glands, seminal vesicles provide nourishment. Cowper glands, epididymis, penis help to ejaculate. Urethra passes the urine and sperm both. Scrotum maintain the temperature, and testes. That is the male reproductive system. Now the male reproductive system topic is completed. So in next video we discuss about female reproductive system. Thanks a lot.